Once again, welcome back. Thank you for all your support, and don't forget to visit beautifulbonnetbabes.etsy.com. That's where you'll find all the patterns, various bonnets, butters, soaps, all those things. Again, beautifulbonnetbabes.etsy.com. Let's get into this video. So today what I'm doing is just sharing how I prep for multiple orders. Sometimes I will just fold them and put them over top of each other because I have a really big pair of scissors. So this here, I'm just showing you how I fold it once, then I fold it twice, and then I fold it over and I add my pattern. I like to use my weights because it'll just keep it in place and keep it from shifting when I cut it. And also when I cut, oftentimes, depending on how I'm going to make the edge of the bonnet, I will add an extra inch to when I cut it. So if I want it to look all baby doll like the pictures, that's what I'll do. And then that basically cut two pieces for me. This one I actually had an order that wanted purple and blue, and I believe it was blue and teal, not sure. But in this video I have various colors that I have to cut for this particular day, so that's what I'm showing. So this is a beautiful teal that's also available. And again, you're able to mix and match the colors at my site. Right now I'm running a special for adults, is $13.99. That includes shipping and handling. And for children between the ages of 7 and 12, I have them available also for $10.99. Makes great gifts for the holidays. So again, I folded it once, and I fold it again. Now this extra step is because I'm making two. So my last fold, is when I'll add my pattern. And I thank you guys again for tuning in. This video will continue to show one more process of folding. And I'll see you guys next time.